Hey guys, Rana here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a website with Google Sites for free. There will be more videos on Google Sites where I'll teach you every single feature of Google Sites and Google's application, how you can use these applications to build your website. But in this specific video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a basic website in which you can provide your business information and you can provide information about yourself, something like that. But before we create this website, let me tell you a difference between WordPress and Google Sites. WordPress is another application or a script that allow you to build a website without having a knowledge of complicated coding. In the same way, Google Sites is going to help you to build a website without having a knowledge of those complicated coding. So you have two options. If you want to build a website with WordPress, then you can watch this video. You can find this video link in the description box of this video. And if you want to build a basic website, you can start building a website with Google Sites. So that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so we are going to create a free website with Google Sites. To create a free website, we need a free web hosting and a free domain name. Google provides us a free web hosting, but we need only free domain name. First of all, let's go ahead and perform a Google search for Google Sites and open up this website in a new tab. So guys, here you have to log in with your Google account. If you don't have Google account, you can create a new one by clicking on create a new account. That is pretty straightforward. Anyone can create account by simply type a simple sign up form. Since I already have Google account, I'm going to log in. And you will land on this website. Let's go ahead, click on got it. So now we can start building a website with Google Sites. If you look at here, these are the free templates that we can use to build our free website. Let's start with a blank template. Alright, so here you can start customize your site. First of all, let's go ahead, skip this tour. If you look at here, in the right side, these are the sections that we can use to build our site. First of all, let's change the title of your site. And next, you can change this text, highlight it, and type your own text. You can change the size of this text, just highlight it, come over here and change whatever size you want. Drag and drop these handles to increase or decrease the size of the text. Or maybe let's make it bold. Let's change the font, or you can make it heading, or you can make it subheading, whatever you want. Let's make it title. Okay, we are good here. Next, you can add a background image if you want. Let's come over here, click on this drop down button, and then you can upload your own image, or you can select image from Google. Let's choose this image and click select. Next, we are going to change the theme of our site. Let's come over here, scroll down. You can change whatever theme you want. Let's go with this theme. Next, we are going to insert some sections. To do it, let's come over here, insert tab. Here, you can see we have these layouts. You can add any layout you want. Let's go ahead, add this one. Here you can add an image. Just click over here. You can upload image, or you can select image, or you can upload a YouTube video as well. Let's upload an image. Let's upload this image. You can increase or decrease the size of this image by dragging and dropping these handles. Come over here and you can type any text you want. Below you can add some content. Again, you can make it bold if you want, or you can change the font, or you can increase or decrease the size of this text. Once you're happy, click away. And next, I'm gonna add another section. Here, this time, I'm gonna use YouTube video. To add a YouTube video, we have to create a YouTube channel. Let's open a new tab, go to youtube.com and click over here, and then click on create channel. Type your channel name and then upload your profile picture and then click on create channel. Now let's go ahead, click on upload video, click continue. Here you can drag and drop your video file. So I'm gonna drag and drop this file. Give a title, type some description, and next you can upload a thumbnail. In order to upload thumbnail, you have to verify your phone number. So I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna cancel it. Scroll down. Below you can add this video into any playlist if you want by creating a playlist. Click create, add this video into playlist and click done. Scroll down. Is this video made for kids or not? No, it's not made for kids. Click on show more. Here you can add some tags, something like that. Below you can select your video language. Here you can upload a caption if you want. I'm not gonna do it. Select your recording date and location. Scroll down. Here you can choose the category for your video. Once you're done here, then click next. You can add subtitle if you want. You can add end screen. You can add cards if you want. I'm not gonna do it. Let's go ahead, click on next. Click next. Let's make it public and then click publish and then close it. And now let's come back to your Google site and then click on YouTube. Click on uploaded and then select your video and then click select. There you go. Your video is ready. This is how you can upload a YouTube video on your Google site. And below I'm gonna upload another video. Go to upload. Right now I have only one video. So again I'm gonna select the same video. As you can see, right side I'm gonna upload an image. I'm going to upload this image. Click open. You can increase or decrease the size of this image, something like that. Next, I'm going to add a footer. Below you can type your footer text. Let's highlight it and align this text into center. Let's make it bold. Next, let's change the background color by clicking over here. You can upload image if you want. I'm gonna select the style 3 and that's it. If you want to adjust these sections, all you have to do, just come over here and drag and drop these sections anywhere you want. Now this section is above of this section. This is how you can replace the section. If you want to duplicate any section, come over here, click duplicate, the section will be duplicate. If you want to delete any section, you can click on delete section, the section will be deleted. How cool it is, right? If you come over here, you can see we have the image that we can insert. We have text box. You can embed any video from YouTube or you can embed and literally anything which is embeddable. Next, you can upload your Google Drive content. Below that, we have some other elements that we can use, that we can insert into our website. Okay, you can add maps, you can add slides, sheets, forms, charts, so on and so forth. Once you're happy with your design, all you have to do, click publish. So now you have to type your website name and then click publish. If you want to see your site, just come over here, this drop down button, and then click view published site. Alright, so this is your website looks like. So if you look here, you can see this is a Google site domain. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your own domain for your Google sites. Okay, so let me show you how I can do it. Let's close it. But before that, let me show you how you can add a logo. Come over here, hover your mouse over here, then click on add logo and then upload your logo. You can upload Favicon as well. Alright, let's close this. Once you do it, let's click on publish. Click on got it. And then click on publish once again. Alright, so let's view our site once again. Alright guys, so you can see this is our logo and this is our Favicon. Let's close it. Let's come back to your site. So now I'm going to show you how you can add a domain name into your Google sites. Let's come back to google.com and perform a Google search for Freenom and open up this website. So guys, from freenom.com we will get a free domain name. To get it, first of all, let's click on sign in. You can log in with social icons. Since I already have account, I'm gonna log in with my email address. Alright, so you can see I have successfully logged in. So if you're getting any problem with freenom.com, you can watch my other video to solve all the problems that people facing with freenom.com. You can find that video tutorial in the description box of this video as well as in the card right here. Anyways, let's go ahead and register a new domain. Let's go ahead, click on this drop down button and then click on register a new domain. And here you can type your domain name and then click on check availability. So you can see these are the free domains. If you scroll down, you can see these are the paid one. Since in this video we are going to create a free website, we need a free domain name. Let's select one of them by clicking on get it now and then click on checkout and change this time period to 12-month free and then click on continue. Now check this box and then click on complete order. Alright guys, we have successfully registered a new domain name. To verify it, let's go ahead, click on this drop down button alongside services and then click on my domains. So you can see we got this domain name. Let's go ahead, click on manage and come over here and click on manage Freenom DNS. Now leave this page as it is. Let's go back to site.google.com and now let's click on this gear icon and then click on custom domains. And now click on start setup. Now click on use a domain from third party and then click next. Now type your domain name. Now click on verify your ownership. Now click on this drop down button, scroll down and select other. Now click on add CNAME record. Now copy these records one by one and come back to Freenom. In the name field, paste this record and change the type to CNAME. And let's go back to Webmaster Center and copy the second text. Let's come back to Freenom. Under the target field, paste this text and let's go ahead add more records. Change the type to CNAME. Under the name field, type www and here type ghs.googlehosted.com and then click on save changes. Alright, record added successfully. Next, let's go back to Webmaster Center. Here you have to wait for maybe 10 minutes and then click on verify. So I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back after 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, now after 10 minutes, let's go ahead, click on verify. So as you can see that our domain has been verified successfully. Let's close this tab. Okay, let's go to Google Sites. Click over here, press spacebar and press back button. So as you can see, now we have this symbol, this tick mark, that means our domain has been verified. Now click next, then click done. Now we have this domain connected with our Google site. Let's open up this domain in a new tab. So now you can see we have this error message 404. We will fix this error message by installing a SSL certificate on this domain name. Let's open a new tab and perform a Google search for Naked SSL and open first website, nakedssl.com. On this website, you have to create an account. To do it, first, let's go ahead, click on login. Now click on a register button right here. Now fill this form, check this box and then click register. So now this website sends you a verification email. Let's go to your mailbox, open this email and now click on confirm my account. Alright, your email has been verified. Let's close this tab and this mailbox as well. Now click on add domain. Now type your domain name. Just type your domain name over here and then click next. Select Europe server and click next. And leave this as it is. Click next. And now click on DNS update. So guys, now you have to wait for a couple of hours to update your DNS. Once it updates, this error message will be gone. Okay, to prove it, let me show you another domain of mine. Let me open a new tab and this is my free domain and you can see this domain is hosted on Google Sites. You can see here. Okay. Alright guys, that's the end of this video guys. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you really did, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. If you're getting any problem with Google Sites or Freenom, just feel free to drop a comment in the comment section below. Or you can follow me on Instagram or you can send me a message on Instagram or Facebook as well. So that being said, goodbye and I'll catch you guys next time.